All right, let's keep going this way, I guess.
Holy shit, are you okay?
Yeah.
Dude, are you good?
Yeah, you didn't hit me.
Okay, good.
Oh.
Is your leg okay?
Yep.
Yeah.
Nothing hit me.
Oh shit.
Coming in hot.
Dude, hold on, my bad.
Hit my hit my elbow guards and everything.
Holy shit.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good too. I hope my bike's okay.
Yeah, you're doing good.
Hit me pretty hard.
Holy shit, bro. When you hit that first strip, like, I don't know how you did, but I was like, I was trying to tell you, I was like, yo, Nate, holy shit. I think you're good. Dude, I got so scared because you fell, right? And your wheels locked up, and then you, like, right, you're falling?
Yeah.
And then you stop. And that was coming in pretty hot, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was about to go right over you.
That was dope, dude.
Dude, I'm glad my bike didn't land on you. I didn't land on you.
Yeah.
Dude, you came in flying from right there.
I know.
Just and then
I had it pinned. I had it pinned. When I take corners so good like that, I get so excited.
Dude,
and
you
just
gotta chill because no, I mean, you were doing good though in the snow. You were fucking flying, man. I'm not even joking. You were flying. But yeah, I got kind of scared because, dude, I was coming in pretty hot too. I'm not gonna lie. Like I knew we were both going way too fast, but then I didn't think we were gonna fall, and I was like, you know what, fuck it. But you don't feel bad? You good?
No, I'm good.
Alright.
Dude, I hit this arm so hard. I'm glad I got my pad on, dude.
Dude, I would have been shredded. I'm not gonna lie. Dude, we were coming in fucking fast.
Yeah, dude.
We were flying.
And there's no traction here.
No. Dude, but then when you fell, you stopped like instantly, and
really?
that's when that's when I got.
Oh yeah, I did, huh?
That's when I got scared because I locked up both of my front and rear, and like I kind of I don't even know how I fell, but I was just trying to not hit you, honestly.
All right, we didn't drop anything. Phone, keys, wallet.
You got everything? Your head not hit?
Nope.
You kind of landed like a baby though. I'm not gonna lie. You kind of landed like meow.
Yeah. Everything fell on this.
Dude, luckily you didn't. Yeah, great. I'm gonna need to get some. Neep, I would have been wrecked, dude. I'm not gonna lie.
Where'd you land? Like over here?
I didn't even fall. I like walked away from it. Like my bike dropped. I like kind of jumped over you a little bit, and then just like my leg kind of dragged on you, but not like crazy. That's what I thought I hit you.
All right, well, let's do it again. It's not the falling part.
I mean, it wasn't that bad though. It could have been worse.